but I don't want to scale stretch it. After all, if I somehow selected this and went up here to the edit menu and chose, for example, the free transform command, and I were to stretch this guy like so, then I would increase the width of the blades of grass and pretty much make a mess of things. So I'll go ahead and press Control Z or Command Z on the Mac to undo that change. Instead, what you want to do is switch over to the Content Aware Move tool once again. And you can use this tool as a selection tool, just as you can with the patch tool. Works just the same. So you can either drag to create a freeform selection, or you can press the Alt key or the Option key on the Mac in order to create a polygonal selection outline, like this one here. And then I'll go up to the Options bar and switch the mode from Move to Extend. Now at this point, what you do is just drag the selection to a different location. And I'm pressing the Shift key, by the way, in order to constrain the angle of my drag to exactly horizontal. And then you wait a few moments to see what Photoshop comes up with. And in my case, it looks pretty good. I'll press Control H or Command H on the Mac in order to hide that selection outline. Remember, as usual, you can change that adaptation setting if you don't get the desired results. So in my case, I'm looking at medium. Let's go ahead and try very strict to see if we get better results or not out of it. And this doesn't appear to me to be better. We've got a kind of divot in the bottom of the grass right there. So I'm going to go ahead and switch this to very loose instead. And just bear in mind, you can change that setting as many times as you like right after applying the tool. And this looks pretty darn good to me. We've got a nice solid bottom to this. We do have a little bit of repetition of detail because I can see this blade of grass repeated from over here. But that's the kind of thing you're going to see just about any time you clone objects inside of Photoshop. So that's how you extend objects very easily, as you can see, using the Content Aware Move tool.